Hi, it's Niveen Abdulghaffar, math teacher at Department of Foundation Studies at Kuwait Technical College. Today I'm going to show you how to use the calculator to solve quadratic equations. First, press on the mode button. So many options are there, but we're going to press number 5. So again, so many options, but we have to press on number 3. Notice that a quadratic equation in its standard form has 3 variables, and they are ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is the coefficient of x to the power 2, b is the coefficient of x to the power 1, and c is the coefficient of x to the power 0. That nobody writes it because it equals 1. Let's say we have the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So here a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 6. Let's plug this into the calculator. Press 1, then equal sign. Press 5, then press on the equal sign again. And finally press 6, and now hit the equal sign 2 times. To get the first value of x, press the equal sign again to get the second value of x. Now you can try it again with a different example and you will see how easy it is. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.